So I asked a lot of you, what is your biggest struggle with social media? And I had the two top answers, and we're going to go over one of them today. I don't have time to post. What am I supposed to post? So in this video, I'm going to teach you a concept that I was taught back in 2015 when I started my journey, and it saved my content life. At the time, I was managing 4 Instagrams and I wanted to be consistent. So I learned the term batching, put it into work, and I'm going to teach you how to batch, especially if you're super busy, if you're a mom, if you have a full-time job, but you still want to build your personal brand. This video is going to be for you. Welcome back to my channel. I love sharing quick tips about business, how to get confident on camera, and showing you how to monetize your social media, especially on Instagram, even if you have a small following. And like this video so I can know if I need to make more of these type of videos. So if you've never heard the term batching, what exactly is it? Batching is the act of grouping tasks together so you do them all at once instead of multitasking and trying to do some posting here, taking a picture here, writing a content piece here. When you batch, you're focused on one main thing. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about. The very first thing that you need to do is know your content pillars. I have a video. If you have not watched that, I need you to watch that so you can understand why the content creation and batching is going to be so much more simple if you have these very clear. So once you have your brand pillars, now it's time to sit down and figure out, okay, how often am I going to be batching? How much time do I have? You have to clean. You have a huge long to-do list, but if you're serious about growing your brand, batching is going to be the best way to do so. So take a look. How often am I going to be batching? When I started batching, I would do it once a month. Sit down, figure out how often you're going to do it. Are you going to do it every Sunday? Are you going to do it every other week? Or are you going to do it once a month? What's going to be more simple for you, but still feasible to where it's quality content as well as you're going to be saving time. Number 2, you're going to grab a calendar. Start filling in your calendar what are the very important days that you need to talk about when it comes to your content. So let me give you an example. Every first of the month, I know that there is a new product that I usually promote with the company that I am partnered up with. So I already know that the first of the month, I'm going to be very focused, very heavily focused on that. This coming up week on the 9th, I'm going to be training with John Maxwell. So that's going to be a content day too. I want to talk about my experience with him. So start filling these things out. If you're going to do a physical calendar, go for it. I like to have it in a huge sticky. I talk about my sticky notes all the time. Do it on a Google Doc if that's going to be a little bit more simple for you. Once you have that, one fun thing I used to love to do is download all of the fun holidays that would be in that month. National Pink Day and also National Flamingo Day. They fall on the same day. When I had my small shop, I used that as an opportunity to sell things that were pink, brought it down to a discount. What about National Lipstick Day, National Bath Day? These are super fun so you can stay relevant, so you can make content around it. And I always love to celebrate all those fun things. Once you have all of this, now you're going to fill in your content pillars per day. So for example, if on Monday is my new product that I'm going to be talking about. On Tuesday, it's National ABC Day. So that's going to go with my brand. I'm going to fill it in with my first pillar, my second pillar, all the way through the calendar. Why would I do that? Well, now I have something to post every single day, have something to talk about every single day. And guess what? Those pillars, I can recycle them. You'd be surprised that a lot of people still ask me till this day, what is it that you do? So once you have your calendar, you're going to fill all of your special events, all of your super fun holidays. And now as you take a look, you're going to look at, do I need to take a photo of something specific? So you need a list of what photos do you need for your content. Next, if you're like me, you get ready literally once a week. Pretty much I'm just getting ready to record these videos for the most part. What day are you going to get ready to go take those pictures? Super fun. You can make this a girl's day. You can make this hanging out with your friends and go take some pictures, but just schedule it and get it out of the way. It doesn't have to be a fancy photographer. Usually nowadays, these phones take really good photos. Now, here is where the beauty comes. I love Planoly. It's actually one of the easiest programs that I've been able to find out there. I know there's so many other ones like Later, Plan. Nowadays, I saw the Teza app has an Instagram planner. Whichever your preference is, go for it. But I personally like Planoly. I've been using it since 2015. Upload your photos, and that's where you can start planning your content. Now, once you upload your photos, but now we have to write captions. Like, what am I supposed to write? Well, I want you to start thinking about your captions as you just talking to your friend and solving their problem, educating them or pumping them up to do something. Captions don't have to be so long. I know that there's a misconception that you have to write a whole blog post for it to be powerful, and that's not true. You can write a caption and it can be powerful even if it's short. So I wanted to show you an example of my friend. Her name is Diane, and she talks about weight loss, but in a way to where it's not so much pressure. She doesn't like the word diet. So caption is so simple. She's just really explaining the before and afters, but I love it. It's super simple. So you will have to write these captions, but if you're already in the mode and you already took all your pictures and you know what you're talking about because you're looking at your calendar, you know that, okay, this is brand pillar 1. What can I say about brand pillar 1? And also schedule in time to engage with your audience, because you can't just post it and then pray that it works and goes viral. You have to build those relationships. But this batching system is really going to save you so much headaches and time, because it is a lot. Now, I want to make something very clear. Just because you have something on your calendar every single day doesn't mean that you're posting on the feed every day or a reel every single day. You have to pick. I have a video that talks about mistakes that you're doing, and one of those is trying to be everywhere all the time. The first of the month, I have that sale. Maybe that's going to be my stories and my feed. So that's what I'm going to focus on. Then the second day of the month, I'm going to do a reel about my first pillar. So the point is for you not feel stuck, because sometimes we overanalyze, we get paralyzed and end up posting nothing. And make sure that you're serving your audience. I actually have a tool for you, okay? This tool is specifically if you have no idea what to post, even if you are not a business yet. This tool is for you. I'm going to have all the details under this description, but if it is for you, go ahead and click so you can get more information. Okay, so the link is right under this that I work with are struggling right now, not knowing what to post, not knowing what to write on the captions. But don't worry, I have a video coming up that talks specifically about what to do when it comes to writing captions. What is your biggest struggle with social media? And it's coming, girlfriend. See you in the next video.